Ooh, a special guest is going to be thrilled.
He's going to kill them all.
No, Candy, not Poppy. She must be only his favorite.
I think he's talking to little Annie.
She is a little talking Annie. Ooh, please take me out of the cage. Ooh, please rescue the orphans. And burn this closet and burn everyone alive. Oh, our special guest is here.